There's a lot of talk these days about Common Core. In short, Common Core is to education what Obamacare is to healthcare, a recipe for disaster controlled by the federal government. And the incumbent, Clint Kesto, voted to fund Common Core in Michigan. A few things you should know about these state standards. They were not created by the states, but by two federally funded social networking and lobbying groups, the National Governors Association and the Council of Chief State School Officers. Parents, teachers, and the local schools will lose control over the curriculum. There will be over 400 points of personal and psychometric data collected and linked to the students and sent to a federal database from prenatal through 4 years of college. Privacy is not guaranteed, nor can a parent opt out of the data collection. Common Core is an unproven, cookie-cutter experiment on our children. If it fails one, it will fail a generation. States were offered waivers to No Child Left Behind in exchange for a commitment to Common Core before the standards were announced. One of the arguments is that we need to guarantee standardized curriculum for those who move to another state. Yet only 2% of students move to another state during their school years. 2 Common Core Validation Committee members refused to sign off on the standards. Stanford mathematics professor Dr. James Milgram, the only math content expert on the committee, withheld his approval from the Common Core math standards because of their poor quality. He stated, "It's almost a joke to think students who master the common standards would be ready for math at a university." And Dr. Sandra Stotsky from the University of Arkansas refused to sign off on the English language arts standards because of the poor quality, elimination of emphasis on literature, and lower reading levels. Innovative free market principles are left out of the equation. Speaking of equations, elementary school parents can't even help their children with their math homework. As a mom concerned about education, Common Core is not common sense. It is taking the responsibility of education out of the hands of teachers and parents, placing a generation of children in one big federal experimental program, which will collect personally identifiable data with no guarantee of security. Do you want control of your schools? I sure do. I invite you to join our team at debohagan.org, and please vote for me in the Republican primary August 5th. Thank you. I'm Deb O'Hagan, and I approve this message.